I'll be right back. Okay. I can help carry some. Okay.
Would you do 15 on your mom's dolls?
Which one? Good morning.
We're early birds.
Yeah, I am still setting up, but
That's all right.
I'm almost there.
It looks so nicely set up. I had to come check it out.
Oh, well, thanks.
Got all these nice tables.
I try to do a good job with
Yeah.
setting up.
That looks good, yeah. Oh, and you got a little snack station too.
Yeah.
How you doing this morning?
Nice job.
Good. All of these are $1.
Okay.
And then the candies right there is 25 cents.
Wow.
And then 50 cents.
Okay. Well, how about you get me a lemonade and I'll take 2 candies and then I'll give you $1. Does that work? Yeah?
So, and then you can hand him the cup and he can fill up.
Here's
his
your
lemonade,
dollar.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
And there were some other early birds, and she took one of the things that was here, and I was like, where am I going to put this?
Nice.
So that worked. All right.
You got a little Hot Wheels thing. You guys selling any video games?
No.
No?
Mm-mm. Sorry.
That's fine. Curious. Alright, what do we got here? Pajamas, Elijah. Those will keep you warm at night. You want an airhead? A little early for airheads?
Maybe in a little bit.
Wine preserve. $5.
Tomato.
Oh, there's a Breadman Plus. Let me take a look at this. Here, excuse me. You got the paddle.
Oh, the kitty.
I should probably buy that.
So today's yard sale is rain or shine. Because there were some people that were like, I don't know. And so because of that, they have scheduled another one for next week as well.
Oh, really?
So there's some people that are going to be
Some people.
participating next week
Gotcha.
that aren't participating today. Is this going to work? Over here.
Would you do 7 on your bread maker? Yeah? Okay.
I wasn't really sure which place it at, so.
7 seems fine. There you go.
Thank you.
What are you buying?
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's
It's 22.
20.
Oh, you're buying the little wallet?
whichever the girls doesn't have one.
Oh, okay. Buying your sister a wallet.
Aw, that's so nice.
He's such a nice lad.
It's
How
like a
old are
pop
your
socket.
sisters?
10 and 6.
Okay.
Oh, is that to mount your phone on the car?
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, cool.
Cool deal.
We'll keep checking out the other ones.
Morning, good morning.
Morning, how we doing?
Good, how are you today?
Pretty good.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.
That's cool. Hopefully it doesn't rain on you.
Oh, it keeps pushing it back. It's up to 12 o'clock now.
Yeah, it does.
So-
Keeps like, yeah.
We're getting there.
I think we're okay. We got a lot of plush.
We're usually done by like 10:30, 11.
Yeah. Yeah, that's when it starts getting boring. This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Little car wash.
Mickey might still be there.
Yeah, no,
Mickey's not in there?
Hmm. What is this?
Those are your little baby
Dolls. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Eli, look at these.
like something like that.
Anna would like those. How much are these little dolls?
Seashells with the
Whole
seashells.
box for 20.
20? I don't know. Maybe. This looks like Lala Loop, Polly Pocket. Who is this?
That's like a home
This one's Lala Loopsy, right? Yeah.
Loopsy or My Little Pony?
I think this one's Loopsy.
Yeah, it's Lala Loopsy.
Yeah. See, I know all the toys because of my daughters.
Wow.
How much is this one?
Those old little
Polly
Polly's,
Pockets?
$5.
For the bag? I'll do that.
Yeah,
Sure.
$5 for the bag. You can have, if you take this, this, and this, you can have it for 15. Because I don't want to go
You
back
want
in
stuff
my house.
gone.
15.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
I like this case.
Sure you don't want anything else?
Case is probably 20.
You guys selling any video games or no?
No.
Nothing? He's like, no.
And then he
we
gets-
watched Mortal Kombat last
I want your video games, not his.
Yeah.
Sell everything, and then Emma makes so much money.
So
at the
15 we
estate.
said for all that?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm trying to think of.
Do you have ones by any chance?
I have a few. I do have a 10 to 5, so exact change.
Yeah.
It's better than nothing, right? Although I'm probably gonna end up buying more anyways, because I always do that, but at least that is kind of mine.
Yeah.
I've claimed it.
Here, take
Let's.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Put it over here or something.
Yeah, it makes me feel better.
Yeah. I'll put it on this little table.
the closest I would have. You've probably seen. No, I know I don't have any video games.
Yeah, that's fine.
Those,
Alright, so yeah, that's good. Pirates dinner. Oh, this is cool. Campbell's soup. 1998. That's just neat.
so like 15, 7, 15, 8, 5. Emma's making the most so far.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
I was buying Emma's toys?
Yes.
Lucky Emma.
Yeah, she'll keep coming out here checking for towels.
What's my stat?
Maglite. How much are your flashlights? $1 a piece?
Yeah.
And what about this?
What is it?
Like a soup thing?
Oh,
Container? $1. So 4 if I get it all?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can find one more thing because I know you're short on singles. Try to get it to 5.
Something here's worth $1.
Yeah. Oh, these patches are cool. How much are your patches? Those are cool.
All for $1.
All the patches for $1. Okay, I'll do that. That puts me at 5.
Yeah. These, I mean, these are all my. These I could bring those back to the store for $3 a piece. So.
Yeah, those are cool.
What are those doing?
Yeah, you can take those out. Those aren't patches. That wasn't part of the deal.
No.
We'll just do the patches.
Yeah.
No, that's
You want me to take them out of here and then you can keep your container?
Yeah.
Everybody usually looks in the garage.
This is the 43rd MP Brigade. This
Wow.
took over Gitmo after the incident.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the Rhode Island National
no,
Guard.
yeah.
That's
24th
cool.
headquarters. That's where I was.
Those
I
are
still
really
am
cool.
with them.
You are still with them?
103rd.
Okay.
This is a retired patch right there.
Oh,
unit
cool.
That unit rolled up.
Nice. Okay, let me get you a $5 bill. I'll put this over here.
How much are the balls?
Find anything? My hands are freezing. Oops, I said it was cold. My bad, viewers.
Yeah, if you have singles,
That
I will
makes you angry.
definitely take 4.
Wear gloves, NC Picker. My hands are cold because this is cold, not because it's cold out.
Yeah.
Well,
Looking for more military stuff. I got military books and stuff.
I know, I was just
Yeah.
looking at that. Do you have the 5 I gave you? Or?
I do, yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Back and forth. That's what always happens. I give. Yeah, I was looking at those books. How much are you charging for books? That's kinda
Depends on the
cool.
book. So like those are $1. All these antique books are $1.
Hmm.
The sets are $1 or $2 for the whole set.
Yeah.
These are all individual. I mean,
Yeah, those
these
are
are from the 50s and 60s. Some of them are from
Pinocchio.
Actually, some of them are like
That's cool.
30s and 40s. They're not first edition, but
No, yeah, they're cool.
Here's military. These are all military
this is
books.
cool.
Yeah. I'm done reading them. I'm not gonna read them a third time. So.
Yeah.
Battles of the Civil War is a good book too, especially.
Boy Scouts, the Red Cross.
Yep.
Kind of cool.
How much a bag?
Oh. Okay, cool. We'll look at them. History of the U.S. Army.
Military stuff usually goes.
Paper self-culture. Oh, it's getting busy now. Nothing here.
I'll be right back. Okay. I can help carry. Okay.
Would you do 15 on your mom's dolls?
Which ones? Yeah.
Those little ones? Yeah.
Take them, please. You can have both for $4. Buy one, get one free.
Here you go, 15. Let's try it. You want to go to another one? Okay.
$10.
Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Pretty good sales. I think the first one was really early. I think it was like 6:30 in the morning, something like that. And at that one I bought a bread maker and some candy from the kid who was selling some candy there. This bread maker looks like I could sell, I might be able to sell the whole thing. I haven't looked into that, but I definitely can part out the pan for about 20 bucks, 20, 25 bucks, and the paddle for another 10 to 15 bucks. So I can get 35 out of it, maybe more if I sell the whole thing. I have to look it up still, but I paid $7, so that was a fine buy. I also bought a bunch of toys that I need to look into still. It's not any old toys or anything, but I did see some stuff that I think sells, you know, Polly Pockets, that sort of stuff. Lala Loopsy, just a bunch of little stuff. I paid 15 bucks for it all, and I should be able to, I mean, these probably sell for 10 to 12 a piece. Old Polly Pockets are worth a lot. These ones are worth a little bit. They sell fast though, which is nice. This, I did look up this little, oops, the thing I just threw on the ground. Looks like it sells for around 10 bucks. That's like a thermos from the 1990s. And then I got those military patches. So the real killer find of that sale was those little dolls, the little baby dolls. What are they called? They're called Ashton Drake. And they're sort of creepy, but cute, I guess. Look at that. They're like hyper realistic little babies. I can't even get it to focus. They're so small. They smell like baby powder, which I think is on purpose. And from what I've been looking at, sorry, the camera's so close. From what I've been looking at, they sell for about 20 bucks a piece. And I have 2 in each box. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, I think. So 6 boxes, 2 in each. So 12 times 20. I'm going to make some good money off that buy for sure. I paid 15, so pretty pleased with that. But yeah, it was a fun sale. Thank you guys for coming. And make sure you subscribe and check out NC Flipper to see what everything actually sells for. See you next time.